Everybody, it's Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. How you guys doing this afternoon? I'm doing pretty good. I was an election inspector yesterday, primary elections. I had a really good day. Met some nice people. Did a little bit of civic duty, and had a good time, had fun. It's kind of a long day, but here I am today making a video. It's about 95 degrees outside today, and it's gonna storm, it looks like. It hasn't rained around here in, I don't know, probably a month, so it's pretty dry. Anyways, what I was out here doing today was I was working on the old Vevor wire stripping machine. That's my tools there. Pair of gloves, wire cutters. Plugged into a regular cord. There's a little bit of, there's some snippets, you might want to call it. This stuff that's pretty small I had to throw in the box. And over here is a big pile of what I like to call red gold. That's some 3/0 wire, 4/0, 5/0. For those of you that know electrical, 3/0 is about 3/4 of an inch thick. And this one pile right here. Look at that thing. I mean, that's that right there weighs probably about 3 pounds. At about $3.30 a pound. That's a $10 bill right there. That one chunk right there. So you can imagine with the rest of it, it's probably about, conservative estimate, maybe $100 worth of copper right there. Which I found riding my Heybike Mars 20-inch folding fat tire. Let's go back out here a little bit, and we're going to start charging her up now, although I don't know why with the storm coming in. But we were using the Vevor over there, so we stole the power from the Heybike Mars here. There's the remains of the scrap from all that wire there. Here's the rest of my wire that I still don't know what I'm going to do with. I have to sort it out yet. It's a lot of Romex, more Romex, and some copper pipe down there. Here's another box right here. This box right here, full of Bear Bright, probably weighs at least 40, 50 pounds. I don't know. Maybe about it. Maybe a little bit less than that. So I don't know. Close. There's about another $100 worth in here. And then in this trash barrel down here is all vacuum cleaner cords and extension cords. That's about $1.25 a pound. I'd estimate that weighs probably 100 pounds right there. This whole trash can. There's another $100 right there. And then this, some Skibbit #1 wire there. I got some more wire downstairs too. Data cabling and Cat 5 cable. Probably another $100 worth of wire down there. So all told, I probably got about $500 worth of scrap wire just sitting here that I collected in the last, I would say, 2 months maybe. 2.5 months, 3. Using the Heybike right here. You got like, I think 1,400 miles on it now. And not a problem. Not one single problem. Except the seat. We got a Cloud 9 seat. Maybe you can see that on there. Cloud 9. I'm not endorsed by them. I bought it on my own. It's one of the best seats out there. If you're going to do a lot of riding and you're going to be on your e-bike for a long time, you better get one of those, I tell you. I'm about ready to buy some new handlebars for it too. I think I want to try some swept back handlebars on there so I can sit back a little bit on it and I'm not hunched over the handlebars so much. Make it a little bit more comfortable for the old man. I'm looking at some other baskets and scrap carrying systems for the back, because the more I look at this one, the more I notice that it covers up my tail light a lot, and I don't think that's real safe. I guess at this angle, if you're down, you can see it, but when you're standing level, you can't really see it back underneath there. So it's kind of a little bit of a problem, but not a major problem. But I think I want to find something that is a little bit more long rather than wide, and that way it can sit up on top and it's not going to block it off so much. I can get it out to the back where the tail light is, and then it can go from there to there. Because you have another problem too, where if you get it out underneath here, the seat, when you're using the suspension on the seat, it'll hit into this, so you have to keep that back away from the seat. Plus, if your butt hangs over the edge of the seat, it's not too comfortable when you hit that crate there. So yeah, you got to kind of make some arrangements there or something. I don't know. But yeah, I got these here too off of Amazon just the other day. It's no plug or anything, but these here are they have reflective stripes that when you put the headlights to them, they glow. And yeah, these were like $10 off of Amazon, a whole set of these bungees. So I'm going to put a few of these on the back, the yellow ones, more importantly, on the back of this thing here, and that'll give me a little bit of safety. Where put one across the side, one across the back. That way when the cars, see me at twilight time, I don't really ride too much in the dark, but I do occasionally. So when I do that, I only really have the headlight, and the taillight's kind of blocked, so put some other reflective material on there rather than putting spinners on my wheels or anything like that. So I think the pedals have reflectors on them too, so, but that doesn't give you any side reflectivity. So anyhow, that's about all I got for today. No, I haven't done a video in a while, but I'm working on things, doing some cleaning and some ranging and some building and painting, and working on the elections and scrapping wire, and yeah, the list goes on and on and on. Hobbyist work is never done. Hey, if you like this kind of video and you want to see more of it or something, you want to see me actually do some scrapping, I mean, I can pass some of this wire right through the machine right there, right in front of your eyes, but so far nobody's commented saying they want to see that or anything. So nobody's really commented saying they want to see more e-bikes, and nobody's really commented saying they want to see any more drift cars, and yeah, there hasn't really been too many comments or anything going on my channel lately. So yeah, if you want, leave a comment. If you don't, then don't. If you want to like, hit the like. If you don't like it, don't like it. Hit the subscribe, the thumbs down button. I hope I can get some more subscribers sometime, but I'm not counting on it. So anyways, this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies, and have a great day and a better day tomorrow.